Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, which country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in 2024? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option D. Russia. Next question, who chaired the BRICS Summit 2024? A. Narendra Modi, B. Xi Jinping, C. Vladimir Putin, D. Cyril Ramaphosa. The correct answer is option C. Vladimir Putin. Next question. Which edition of BRICS Summit was held in 2024? A. 14th, B. 15th, C. 16th, D. 17th. The correct option is answer C. 16th. Next question. Which country will host the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option C. Brazil. Next question. Where is the headquarters of BRICS located? A. Shanghai, B. Kazan, C. Brasilia, D. Moscow. The correct answer is option A. Shanghai. Next question. How many new countries are included in BRICS group in 2024? A. 5, B. 4, C. 6, D. 7. The correct answer is option A. 5 countries. Next question. Which of the following country refused to join the BRICS group in 2024? A. Nepal, B. Ethiopia, C. Argentina, D. Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is option C. Argentina. Next question. When was the BRICS established? A. 2005, B. 2006, C. 2007, D. 2009. The correct answer is option D. 2009. Next question. Where was the 15th BRICS Summit 2023 held? A. Berlin, B. Moscow, C. New Delhi, D. Johannesburg. The correct answer is option D. Johannesburg. Next question. In which year did BRICS formed as BRICS? A. 2006, B. 2007, C. 2009, D. 2010. The correct answer is option D. 2010. Next question. How many times India chaired the BRICS Summit? A. 1 time, B. 2 times, C. 3 times, D. 4 times. The correct answer is option C. 3 times. Next question. Who coined the terms BRIC to describe the 4 emerging economies of Brazil, Russia, India, China? A. Jim O'Neill, B. Xi Jinping, C. Manmohan Singh, D. Vladimir Putin. The correct answer is option A. Jim O'Neill. Next question. What is the name of the bank of the BRICS nations? A. Asian Development Bank, B. World Bank, C. New Development Bank, D. BRICS Bank. The correct answer is option C. New Development Bank. Next question. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend the BRICS Summit? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Manmohan Singh, C. Narendra Modi, D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The correct answer is option B. Manmohan Singh. Next question. How many times has Russia hosted the BRICS Summit? A. 4 times, B. 5 times, C. 6 times, D. 3 times. The correct answer is option A. 4 times. Next question. Which country has announced the launch of BRICS Startup Forum? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option A. India. Next question. Which of the following best describes BRICS? A. Group of 5 nuclear powers. B. Group of 5 industrialized nations. C. Group of 5 emerging economies. B. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Group of 5 emerging economies. Next question. How many total countries are there in BRICS? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 9. The correct answer is option D. 9 countries. Last question. In which year did BRICS formed as BRICS? A. 2006. B. 2007. C. 2009. D. 2010. The correct answer is option D. 2010. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.